Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices concept. Okay, now explain addition of matrices. Okay, if A and B are two matrices of the same type or order, okay, then their sum is denoted by A plus B. Addition of A and B is denoted by A plus B is defined to be a matrix of the same type and is obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. Okay. Okay. If A and B are two matrices, their sum is denoted by A plus B. Is defined is to be a matrix of the same type and is obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. This is called addition of matrices. So now explain one example. Okay, so let us take A is equal to Aij m by n matrix and B is equal to Bij. This is also same order m by n matrix. So addition of matrices A plus B is Cij, order is m by n. Okay, where Cij equal to Aij plus Bij. Okay, let us take A, order of m by n matrix, B, same order m by n matrix. So order of A plus B is also m by n matrix. Okay, now explain one example. A having 1, 2, 3, 4, B having 5, 6, 7, 8, A and B having same order. Okay, so addition of A and B is denoted by A plus B. So A plus B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Where A and B having same type and adding corresponding elements of A and B. 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 7 and 4 plus 8. This is called addition of A and B. 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. We have to find B plus A. So B plus A, first we should write B matrix 5, 6, 7, 8 plus A 1, 2, 3, 4. Addition of these two matrices is adding corresponding elements of B and A. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 4, 12. Okay. So let us observe one point. A plus B, B plus A always equal. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A. So addition of matrices satisfied commutative property. Okay, now explain important properties. Properties of addition of matrices. Okay. First one, A plus B equal to B plus A. So addition of matrices satisfied commutative property. Commutative. Okay. Next, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C is always equal. This is associative property. Associative property. Okay. Next, third one, A plus O equal to O plus A equal to A, where O is zero matrix. Where O is zero matrix is identity matrix of, okay, identity matrix of addition is called additive identity. Additive identity. Okay. So zero matrix is called additive identity. Okay. Now explain fourth property. A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to O. Okay. O is additive identity. Okay, where minus A is called additive inverse of plus A. Additive inverse of given matrix A, where minus A is called additive inverse of given matrix A. So the matrix minus A is obtained by multiplying minus 1 of every element of A or changing the sign of every element of A. So what is minus A? Minus A is additive inverse of plus A. Okay, this is obtained by changing the sign of every element of A or multiplying minus 1 of every element of A. I give one example. Let us take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So minus A. What is minus A? Additive inverse of given matrix A. So minus A is equal to minus of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is nothing but, so minus 1 multiply of every element of matrix. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 is called additive inverse of given matrix A. Okay. Okay, now explain difference of two matrices. If A and B are two matrices, the difference of A and B is defined by A plus B of minus B. The difference of A and B is denoted by A minus B is defined by A plus minus B. A plus minus B. I give one example. A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 2 matrix. B having 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So A minus B. The difference of A and B is denoted by A minus B, is defined by A plus of minus B. A plus of minus B. So now explain A minus B. So A plus of minus B equal to, so what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, so minus B. What is the minus B? Additive inverse of given matrix. Okay. So minus multiply to all. This minus 1 multiply to every element of this B matrix. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. It will going to be 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 4 minus 8 minus 4. This is subtraction of matrices. Okay, now explain important point. If two matrices A and B are of different orders, then we cannot compute A plus B and A minus B. Okay, if two matrices A and B are of different orders, then we cannot compute A plus B and A minus B. Okay. Okay, now I give one example. A having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So order of A is 3 rows and 2 columns. B having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So order of B is 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, where A plus B and A minus B not defined. Why? Because A and B having different orders. Since A and B having different orders. Okay. Okay, now explain multiplication of matrix by a scalar. Let A is equal to Aij m by n be a matrix and K be a number, then the matrix which is obtained by multiplying every element of A by K is called multiplication of matrix by scalar. Okay, this means let A is equal to Aij m by n matrix, then Ka is equal to K times of Aij. This is nothing but A into K. Okay, now I give one example. If A having 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Ka is equal to this K multiplying every element of A. K, 2K, 3K, 4K. Thank you for watching. Remaining concepts I will explain on coming classes.